Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change account in Stumble, guys. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Stumble, guys, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, if you are one of those users or players that wanted to change their account in Stumble, guys, and you wanted to begin anew with a clean slate, all right, so say for example you wanted to reset the progress to experience the game again from the beginning, or maybe you have switched from one platform to another. Say for example you're using the Nintendo Switch to the PlayStation Network, and they may need to create a new account on the new platform to continue playing the game. Now, all you have to do is click on the cog icon settings on the upper right corner right here. And from here, the account that's associated with my Stumble guy right now is using the email. All right. And if you wanted to, say for example, change account using another platform, you might want to go and connect using your Facebook. All right. And from here, you can also change the server region if you wanted. All right. Now, the next option that you have is simply go to the bottom right corner in the chat help section. Now, from the Stumble Guy support, what you can do from here, this is an AI assistant. Type your question here. And obviously, there's going to be a short answer. Okay. Of course, you need to provide more information and then follow the prompts that's given to your screen. The next option that you have is go here at the Stumble Guy support and choose the topic that relates to your situation of changing another account to your Stumble Guys. Okay? Otherwise, you are left with no option to log out of all these accounts or delete your account if necessary and create a new one. That way you can change your account in Stumble, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.